Dear disabled community, and everyone else who's always said to me, Virali, you're not disabled, you're differently abled. Can we stop being hypocritical for a moment? Please? So उनके थोड़ा सा दर्द हुआ होगा ना, and it probably made you feel bad, or it probably made you really angry. Oh my god, how can a disabled person say that? Right? But see, that's the thing. This disability does not define me. And so whenever people call me, or whenever people say that, Virali, you're not disabled, you're differently abled, I am just like, what the it doesn't make sense to me. Like, I literally, it just does not make sense to me. I don't understand it. How am I differently abled? Just because you say that I'm differently abled, does that really make me differently abled? And why do we always correlate disability towards negativity? Why do we always do that? I don't get that. Like, what makes me differently abled? What makes me differently abled? It's a wheelchair. Like, can we just acknowledge the elephant in the room and kind of move on? Why is that always an issue? Like, I just don't get it. It doesn't make sense to me. I'm sorry, मुझे नहीं समझ आता. The whole community, right? We're trying to spread awareness. We're fighting for inclusion. But then at the same time, when someone calls us disabled, we get so hurt. We feel like, oh my god, kaise bol diya? How did this person call me disabled? Why? And you know, the only reason why we do this is because from the start, in our heads, it's been mentioned that having a disability is a bad thing. It's a negative thing. And we need to change that. We need to change that mentality. It's not a bad thing. It's not, oh my god, the lie, the world is over. Dude, it's not the Mayan calendar, for God's sake. The most important thing right now is we don't need the terminology. We do not need to correlate disability with negativity. What we need to understand right now, that being disabled or having a disability is as normal as wearing glasses or specs. It's just as normal as that. But no, the biggest thing is that we are all hypocrites. We're all hypocrites. And I'm saying that about myself too. We are all hypocrites. We want to celebrate World Disability Day, but we want to be called differently abled. We don't want to say that we have a disability. No. We're differently abled. That is the main point of this, right? Wrong. If you can happily celebrate World Disability Day, then you can happily call yourself disabled too. Because let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Everyone in this world has a disability. Every single person. Just because you had a traumatic experience, that does not make you disabled. You're just unable to walk. You just require the support of a wheelchair, crutches, walker, whatever. Can we change the labels? Can we change the terminology? I'm not Divyang, I'm not a divine body, because hello, if I was a divine body, then I'm pretty sure my government would have recognized that I require accessible infrastructure. They wouldn't have spent 3,000 crore rupees on a statue where they could have just invested that money in making India more accessible, despite already having a campaign about that. So let's move on from all of this terminology, because we've already established that terminology does not even matter. No one gives a fuck about terminology. Change your mentality. What makes you differently abled? Except for the fact that you use a wheelchair, or maybe you're hearing impaired. What makes you differently abled? What is so special about you that makes you differently abled? That's my question. If you're calling yourself differently abled just because of your disability, move on from that terminology. Move on from specially abled, physically challenged, handicapped, differently abled, crippled, whatever terminology you can think of. Move on from that terminology. We don't need that. You are a human at the end of the day. The label that was given to you at birth, which is your name, use that label. Use that label. Start correlating disability to being a positive thing. When we actually change that mentality and we get rid of those terminology and we start focusing on the achievements, that's when we move past the terminology. That's when we move past disability being a negative thing. Start correlating it with positivity. So me being disabled Yeah, cool, I am disabled, but you know what? I am much more than that. My name is Virali, and hello, I've earned all of this. My disability does not define me in the same way that terminology does not define you. So, can we please stop being hypocritical here for a moment? Can we actually just celebrate World Disability Day for what it's meant to be known as? A disability. Celebrate it, embrace your disability, embrace all of the positive things and all of the struggles, all of the mishaps that you've had after your disability, and use that to encourage and empower yourself and other people. The only term and the only label that I should be called is Virali Modi, because that is what I was born with, and that is the label that I'm going to die with. Not, oh, Virali Modi, oh, she was differently abled. That is not what people are going to remember me by. People are going to remember me by my name and the things that I have done, my accomplishments. लोग ऐसे पहचानेंगे मुझे ऐसे नहीं पहचानेंगे कि Virali Modi differently abled rights activist. Because अरे रे disabled तो बोल नहीं सकते because हमें तो politically correct होना है. No, dude, no. And if you still want to really be politically correct, or if you just want to be courteous, and ask the person, what label should I give this? I mean, are you okay with the term disabled? Are you okay with the term differently abled or handicapped? What term are you okay with? Pucho yaar. Take my consent, no? Or take someone else's consent. Don't just come up with a term on your own and just be like, oh, you're not disabled, you're differently able. That is my problem. That is my problem with being politically correct and with the whole community in general. No one asks for consent. No one is gonna ask me what I want to be called, what my label should be. No one is gonna ask me that, not even my community. Whenever I say disabled, they're just gonna be like, you're not disabled, you're differently able. It does not work that way. If you really need a label, cool, ask the person what they want to be called. If you don't need a label, hey, great. You already have a label, which is your name. Use it and let's move on from this conversation because we have much more pressing issues to talk about.